Celebrate the magic of the Magi. On January 6th, join us for a special treat that will brighten your year. Welcome to our channel, where we will explore together the incredible power of prayer and how it can transform our lives. Stay with us and prepare for a journey of inspiring spiritual discovery. Discover simple rituals full of meaning that will attract prosperity, love, and good energy into your life. Get ready to receive the blessings of the Magi and start the new year with positivity. Don't miss this unique opportunity to connect with spirituality and bring the magic of the kings into your home. Subscribe now and participate in this journey of light. January 6th is the date on which, 24 years ago, the wise men Melchior, Gaspar, and Balthazar visited the baby Jesus. 12 days after his birth, according to sacred scripture. The Day of Kings, then. It is still celebrated today and ends Christmas celebrations for Catholics. In addition to dismantling the nativity scene and the Christmas tree, it is also traditional to perform the pomegranate and ask for good things for the year ahead. Sympathies of the Magi. Pomegranate. A common spell performed is with the use of pomegranate. Open the pomegranate and separate 9 little stones. 3 you throw back, calling the name of each king, 1 at a time. Another 3 you will eat and swallow. And the last 3 you will seal in a bag, paper, or a $2 bill and leave it in your wallet. Friendliness on the doorstep. Another common ritual on Three Kings Day is writing the names of the 3 wise men, Melchior, Gaspar, and Balthazar, on the upper frame of the house's entrance door, on the outside. This is the time to ask them for protection. All year round. A ritual to attract good things all year round. On a paper write, "Abundance comes into my life in surprising and miraculous ways." And add the numbers 318 798 to the paper. Note the space. Read the message every day of the year. Colors. The best colors to wear on Three Kings Day are green, blue, and white. You can use it with gold details, which also helps bring prosperity. May the magic of the kings always be present on your journey. Thank you for joining us in this special celebration of the 3 kings. May the sympathies shared fill your home with the light and prosperity that emanate from this sacred tradition. May the spirit of the Magi guide your every step in this new year, filling your life with endless blessings. Until next time, may divine light guide your path. Did you like the video and tips? So remember to like, subscribe, and activate the bell.